Hi guys, it's the Macintosh Guide, and today we've got another video. Now today we're going to be looking at something very new that just came out, and it kind of links with the previous video we just did. So guys, sit back, relax and enjoy this one. So what do we have now? Ta-da! We have ourselves the brand new Pixel 9 Pro XL. Now, this is in Hazel, as you can tell. It is sealed, as you can still tell. So it's a 9 Pro XL, 128 gig. Now, I got this from a business supplier, but they were not able to fulfill my 256, but hey, oh, it is what it is. But I've got the 128 gig Hazel model. Now, the packaging is very similar to iPhone, as you guys probably can tell, except it's a slidey top. So let's start straight away getting it unboxed. So can we do any type of slide, or do we need to rip the... No, it seems that we do need to rip this. Now that that's out of the way. Oh, I see what they've done. They've put like a little slit in there. And, you know, I've got my iPhone side by side as well, so we can compare this and see how it is. So let's... Ta-da! Now that actually looks very good. And it feels very light as well. So let's just try and do this on a proper manner. As far as I can tell, we just need to pull the phone out, as so. And wow, that feels amazing. It is absolutely, and it's got a nice matte finish as well on the back. Now, comparing it side by side with the iPhone, as you can tell, it's very similar. As you can tell right here, this is just like the iPhone 14 Pro Max. And the back is still pretty much identical in terms of the finish, except the camera bump. Now the camera bump looks magnificent. I think this looks very attractive. It is one of the better looking devices, that's for sure, that Google have done. But yeah guys, it's very much identical to the iPhone 14 Pro Max, I would probably say, than the 15 Pro Max that people are saying. It's just the color. And it is slightly bigger as well, as a 6.8-inch screen compared to the iPhone. So yeah, it is absolutely tremendous looking as well. So let's see if we can boot this up. Don't see anything, so maybe we might need to charge the battery. Let's just hold the power button. There you go. So let's just see if we can load the device at least. And I've got case and everything else coming along the way as well, so I'll make sure the phone is fully protected. And what I also want to do is I'm going to do some in the later videos, a side-by-side comparison against the 15 Pro Max in the future, so it gives you guys an indication. But this will actually be my main work device going forward than the Pixel 8 Pro. But let's just get it to load. I just want to be able to see what the display, and look at that. It looks amazing, guys. Brilliant looking device. And that is your quick unboxing of the Pixel 9 Pro XL. Plenty of videos coming over the next couple of weeks. Stay tuned, guys. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.